Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today I'm trying out some KKW beauty products. I will be trying out her concealer, her baking powder, and her brightening powder. So what I have done right now is just my foundation and my brows, and I am totally ready for some concealer. So let's just dive right in. So being that you have to order these online, I hope I got the right shade. I picked the shade 2. It definitely feels thick, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. So I'm going to take the beauty blender that I use for my foundation, so don't judge me that it is a little dirty, and just use it to blend this out. This is a super thick consistency, and the coverage is good, but I kind of want a little more, so unfortunately I have to go back in with just a couple dabs. Okay, that's better. So now I'm gonna dive into her baking powder. Kind of little, so it's gonna be a little rough to dip into. All right, I'm just gonna give that a couple minutes to sit, just like 2 or 3 minutes. My skin is very dry, so I don't like to bake for very long because otherwise it just looks really, really dry and cakey under my eyes. Okay, I'm just gonna gently wipe off the excess. There really isn't any excess because I didn't use very much for my skin. So I did use shade 1, the translucent powder, for the baking powder, and it went on really nicely. It's nice and lightweight. Next, I'm gonna go in with her brightening powder, and this is also in shade 1. I'm just gonna take my Morphe precision pointed powder brush and dip in a little bit, tap off some excess. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the difference on camera, but this side is definitely brighter. This is really nice. Good job, Kim. Alright, so far so good. It's not really caking into my crease, which is good. At first, before I blended it out, it was settling into my creases because it is so thick. I am going to give this a wear test. I'll do the rest of my makeup and check in later. See you in a little bit. Alright guys, I am back to film my check-in. It has been about 7 hours and we are still looking good. It has stayed out of my crease. My only complaint is that it looks a little bit dry for my skin, but all in all, it looks really good. My under eye looks really bright and the coverage is really great. So this is gonna be another concealer that's gonna be up there with my Estee Lauder Double Wear and now my ColourPop $6 concealer. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day. Bye.